ring. Of course, the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covers her ears with a pillow. Snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself, Neha, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pull me out of the bed. It is so unfair. Oh, how I could love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock should forget its job sometimes. Something fallen. Neha smiled. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Next day morning, there is no alarm clock. So Neha sleep and sleep. The small cheepy birds which come to the window still every morning find Neha still sleeping. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Neha gets up with a start. Oh no, if it's no the alarm clock, these birds, why didn't they leave me alone? Even this wish of Neha comes true. The next day, there is only no alarm clock. There are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Oh, my eyes! Now it is the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha comes true. The next day, the sun begins the clouds. So Neha still she hears her mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. Oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? There is no excuse now. Next morning, Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happened the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Ma, who wakes me up today? Mother smiled. Mother, who else? You of us. Neha. But I was sleeping. I couldn't. Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha, I feel hungry. Mother, why did you sleep at 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up. Neha, ho ho, I better. Now I didn't want to miss the bus. Mother, relax, today is Sunday. Neha,